This is a quick little video on how to sell more commercial cleaning accounts, and this can apply to commercial carpet and tile cleaning services and also janitorial services. And what we're going to talk today about is sales specifically and improving listening skills. And the big thing is there's a difference between hearing and listening. And just to keep this really simple, hearing is more of a physical act. As you are hearing this video, you're hearing me talk or any of the background music. That is hearing. It's physical. And listening, though, it is the total opposite. Listening is a mental process. We have to actually stop ourselves and focus on what the other person is saying. And it takes some training to teach ourselves how to stop thinking about the future and just think about that moment right there when we're in a walkthrough and we're giving an estimate and a prospect is speaking with us. We want to be listening to what they're saying right there in the moment. But that takes a little bit of training and practice. And some of the barriers to this is here are the top four barriers that comes from um, um, that can hurt us in our sales when we're going out there to give our bids. We have something better to say. We already know what they're going to say, and we already have an answer for them. But we want to stop and listen to their specific situation. Prejudices. A lot of times when people think about prejudice, they think of man and woman or race type of stuff. But prejudices can come in all kinds of shapes and like maybe you don't like big corporations or you don't like small corporations or it can be rich people or poor people or the way people dress, tall, short. There's all kinds of prejudices that can really affect our sales, and that's why we want to be objective as possible and just listen to what the person has to say and don't go in with a preconceived idea of, oh, I know what this company wants. They're big, they don't pay on time, blah blah blah. That's the kind of more business prejudices, although some of them can come in different forms. You heard it all before. You're on your 50th estimate, you're on your 100th estimate. This is something that can happen to me, that I have to stop myself because I've been doing this a long time. That I I have to stop myself from, oh, I heard it all before, I know what they're going to say, and I'm going to jump in front of them. But I don't want to do that. I have to stop myself and actually listen to their specific situation. Because this is the last one, is what comes next. You know exactly what you want to jump on. They mention something and a topic, and you already know what you want to say. But we have to stop ourselves from doing these things. We have something better to say. Our prejudices, we've heard it all before. We know what they're going to say next. When it comes to pricing, and all these situations, because especially with businesses, they come in all kinds of shapes and forms. And sometimes people are making a change. If you're in the janitorial industry, a lot of times they already have a vendor, so it's about changing from them to you. And we don't want to assume anything. That's the big point here, is we don't want to assume anything. People change vendors for all kinds of reasons, and that's why we want to explore, ask questions, because that's how we can find out what their needs are. And my name is Shane DeBell. Our company is methodcleanbiz.com. And if you have any more questions, or you want to learn more about account-based marketing, or you want to get more profit, get more out of your sales and marketing campaigns by some of these quick little tips, please visit our website And again, that is methodcleanbiz.com.